In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to install WordPress in cPanel. To do so, log into your web hosting account. And you can see the purchased hosting packages here. To access the cPanel of the particular hosting package, you can simply click here on this button to locate the cPanel. You can see we're here in cPanel now. To install WordPress here, simply search for WordPress. Now, click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. And here you can manage and view various WordPress installations. To install WordPress, click on Install. Here, we need to set the URL first, the URL where WordPress should be installed. To get started, first you need to select the protocol from here. Now, let's select the domain name here. And you can set the directory name as well if you want, or you can leave it empty. Here you can choose the WordPress version to install. Scrolling a little, here you can see some site settings which you can configure, and here you can give your site a name. You can add a site description as well. On the right here are some admin account settings. You can create the username and the password here as per your choice. Also, don't forget to add the email address here. Now you can install the plugins with installation as well. You can even select the site language from here. You can explore some advanced settings here as well, and here you can customize the name of the database. You can configure settings related to table prefix as well. Moving next to the themes, you can select a different theme from here. You can also click on the Show theme and explore more themes. You can click on any theme and see the demo. Once finalized, click on a Select Theme button. Now, you can also find out the theme any other site is using. But if you want to know how, then we have a video explaining that as well. You can either click on the eye icon on the top right corner of the screen to view the video, or I'll also link it in the description below. Now, you can also enter the email address here to share the installation details. Once everything is in place, click on the Install button. This will take a few minutes. Once done, you can see the login URL here. Let's open the link in a new tab. You can see the site here. You can set the image here later on. You can see the theme has been imported on the site. To log into the admin panel, you can visit this URL here. You can see we've redirected to the WordPress dashboard. This is how easy it is to install WordPress in cPanel. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.